start with you. PM Modi patted, Yogi is back, said UP handled the second wave of COVID very well. PM Modi in Varanasi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that UP has handled the second wave of corona very well. Uttar Pradesh is the state with the highest testing of corona in the entire country. PM Modi Varanasi visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who arrived on a tour of his parliamentary constituency, Varanasi, praised the efforts of the Yogi government during the COVID period. PM Modi said that Uttar Pradesh is the state with the highest testing of COVID in the entire country. Today, Uttar Pradesh is also the state with the highest number of vaccinations in the entire country. He said that UP has handled the second wave of COVID very well. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the changing and dangerous form of the coronavirus had attacked with full force, but UP, including Kashi, faced such a big care crisis with full potential. Uttar Pradesh effort is dealing with corona are remarkable. He said that Kashi city is becoming a big medical hub of Purvanchal today. For the treatment of diseases which once had to go to Delhi and Mumbai, the treatment is also available in Kashi today. Kashi has shown that it does not stop, said by Modi. PM Modi said that today I have got the opportunity to lay the foundation stone and inaugurate more than 1,500 crore project related to the development of Kashi. Kashi has shown that she does not stop. The last few months have been very difficult for all of us. Modi said that right now the work of building about 550 oxygen plants in UP is going on fast. Today 14 oxygen plants have also been inaugurated in Banaras. He said that today some more lanes are being added to the medical infrastructure of Kashi. Today, Kashi is getting new hospitals related to the medical treatment of women and children. Out of this, 100 bed capacity is being added in BHU and 50 beds in district hospital. UP preferred destinations for Make in India, PM. The PM said that I have been discussing so many works for the development of Kashi and the whole of UP are so long. But this list is so long that it will not end so soon. When there is a shortage of time, many times we have to think about which development works of UP, which work should I skip. He said that Uttar Pradesh is emerging as the leading investment destinations of the country. Till a few years ago, in which UP was considered difficult to do business. Today, UP is becoming a favorite place for Make in India. Today, there is rule of law in UP. Modi, the Prime Minister, said that today there is a rule of law in UP. The mafia, Raj and terrorism is over, which were becoming uncontrollable are now the grip of law. The way parents always lived in fear and apprehension regarding the safety of sisters and daughters, the situation has also changed. That is why today the people is getting the benefits of the schemes of the people in UP directly. That is why today new industries are being invested in UP development. Employment opportunities are increasing. Modi aligning that it is not that before 2017 there were no schemes for UP. Money was not sent. Even then there were similar efforts from Delhi, but then there used to be hurdle in Lucknow. Today Yogi ji himself is working hard. If you are watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you are watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell icon.